Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to delete any files from a folder using PHP. So this is sbphptricks. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this for all of you. Thank you. Let's get started. I will use a CS6 or Dreamweaver CS6 for this coding. You can use any editor like Notepad++ or Sublime editor. So before going for the code, I want to show what actually I want to do uh, today. So this is one of my folder which I uploaded all these files using uh, codes using PHP to this folder, and all this name of this files are stored in database. So I want to delete this, suppose this image from this folder using PHP. You can also use the dynamic coding, like you can get the data from your database and you can delete from there. Actually what we do while uploading the files, we upload the name of that particular file to database and the URL and the image actually we save in some folder like this upload folder. So when you delete from the database, the name is deleted from the database, but you have to also delete from this folder. So how to do that, I'll show only for this particular image. You can if you do dynamically, you can do for all those type of images you can do. So I will delete this dosha.jpg. So this is the name of a dish, but you can give any name here. So what I'll do, I'll write the PHP codes uh, to delete that file. So first of all you need the file name and the folder name. So I am using a name $URL, so that is my variable, and this is my file name. So and the dosha.jpg, so this is my extension. So and it is in upload folder, so I'll give the full path. So upload. So you want to delete this file, then you have to use a command, that is unlink this URL. So I want to show a message. If the deletion is successful, then I'll show success. If there is some error, then I'll show error. So if unlink URL, if I write like this, it means that it is successful. So I'll show a message echo file is deleted successfully, else echo error. So as I said, this I am going to delete only this particular image, so that's why actually I am giving that name. If you want to delete some other file, then obviously you have to give that name. If you are doing dynamic, means you are getting data from database, then obviously this name will come from database, and you need to also give the folder name. So this is a folder name. Within that folder I have this image. So I'll save this coding file delete. Okay, so it is in demo folder. So now I'll run my code. So it's localhost. I have to go to demo. Then what is the name of this program? File delete. I can directly run file delete delete.php. The file is deleted successfully. Let's check in my folder. So this is my upload folder. So it's, you can check that the docker.jpg is not here. Suppose I want to delete this italy.jpg, or if you can delete any file from this folder. Suppose you want to delete this, so just copy the name and paste in the code. So I'll again run this one. As I saved this, so I'll run this one. So file is deleted successfully. So now check this one successful. Suppose you want to delete this. This is a doc file. So get the name of the file and paste it here. See, this is also under upload folder only. You can check this is upload folder. So this is d1.docx. So I'll go to demo folder again. I'll run. So I have given the d1.docx. So I have to save this code and I'll run this one. File delete. So file is deleted successfully. Let's check. So it's not here. If you want to give which file is deleted, you want to show the name also, then you can show the name also here, like this file URL. So this is your particular file and the URL of your file, then it's deleted successfully. Let's give the d2.x. so d2.x, I will put it here, the name of my file, and I'll run my code. So file delete, file upload dot d2.x is deleted successfully. Let's check whether it's deleted or not. It's not here. So this is how actually we do coding for deleting any files or images from a particular folder. You can check my video how to upload any file, means image or any file, into database using PHP mysql. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, please do comment, share with your friends. Thank you.